Hi guys, Antonio from guitarforme.com, and today I want to show you how to play Michelle. This is one of the greatest success of the Beatles and one of the most beautiful songs written by Paul McCartney. There are some really nice chords. I'm sure they're gonna help you become a better guitar player. Before we go into that, notice that I've got also a playlist dedicated to the Beatles and their songs, so go and have a look if you want to carry on learning other songs from this band. Let's start from the intro. That's a good place to start. Okay, first of all, we have got a capo on the 5th fret. That's going to help us with some open chord shapes. But mostly we're actually using bar chords and triads. Okay, let's have a look at the chords in the intro. Okay, this section here, just to be clear. And we're starting with a triad of F minor, 10, 9, 8. These are the frets. With the right hand, I'm playing a 3rd string with the thumb, and then 1st and 2nd finger. Okay, so bass chord, 1 and this is the kind of rhythm that we've got happening here. Now, what's happening is that in this first bar, we are moving the bass down half a tone at a time, okay? So 1 and, then on 2, we have got this other fingering, 9, 9, 8, 2 and, then we move again the E to E flat, okay, from 8, 9, 8, 3 and, 4 and. So this is this first section here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we got to this D flat major 7. We play the bass. And then here it's basically 6 all bar, and then 8th fret. 2, so 1 and 2 and, so we're basically playing the 6 and then the 9th fret. 1 and 2 and then we go to the C. This is the C, is our G shape moved on the 8th fret. That gives us a C with a capo. 1 and 3, 4. Then we got this movement of the bass, D, E, that's gonna take us to this chord. Now one can say, wow, this is so pretty, so beautiful. The Beatles are geniuses. Yes, they are geniuses, but yet this is not really an original chord progression. In fact, we have seen this in many other songs, especially in the jazz repertoire. One of those is My Funny Valentine. Although the duration of the chords are not the same, in My Funny Valentine we got one chord every second beat, and yet it's every beat that we got the movements, yet the chords are the same, alright? So, My Funny Valentine, na 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 na, na 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 na. Okay, just at the end the chords are slightly different, but as you can see, they've been used before. Now, this is not to say, the Beatles are copycats. No, it's not absolutely about that. It's just to show that they also took inspiration from other songs. Let's have a look at the chords in the verse. Alright, so this is the section. Basically, we've got this shape of F. It's nothing else than a C. We move it up to the 8th fret, bass D, and we're adding that pinky D. Why? Because that is the melody of the chord, so we're trying to support the melody, even with our chords. That's a nice way to do it. Now, this gives us an F major, but we are in the key of F minor, isn't it? I mean, that's where we started, very melancholically. So why go to F major? Because this is lifting the whole atmosphere. It's a happy ending. So the F major is a happy atmosphere, right? Compared to the F minor. We could have, and they could have, written the song with F minor. It would have been fine, because that's exactly the chord that it's in the key, right? But making it major just lifts the whole atmosphere up, and that's genius. Okay, that's genius thing. Okay, so the first bar is F major. We can also do this alternate bass. Then we go to a B flat minor 7. Okay, this is the shape that they are playing, which is basically a full bar with the first finger, and then we're also having this bar on the first two strings on the 9th fret. That's the 3rd minor and the 7th flat. Now, why? You can obviously just use any B flat minor that you know, like that, but the reason why they're using this specific shape is because the melody is here. Alright? Again, we are supporting the melody. And I've seen Paul McCartney do a variation on this chord, which is basically this chord here. We are adding this second finger on the 7th fret there. This makes the chord a B flat 7 sharp 9. Now, he tells us a story that very briefly, they were at a shop, and this friend of theirs was a jazz guitar player, and he comes with these amazing chords. And when they heard this chord, when Paul heard this chord, he said, "Wow, you know, show it to me." And then he decides to put it in the song. And when they sing the melody, they actually using the B flat minor 7, but towards the end of the song you will hear that in the outro they're using this variation here, just to get more tension towards the next chord, which is a E flat 6. This is the chord. It's basically an E flat bar chord where we take the note, we move it up, and we play it with this bar here on the 8th fret, and then the root. Now, why use the E flat 6 and not just the E flat? Again, because the melody is those two notes. And even here we can use our alternate bass. Alright, so again we are supporting the melody with the chords. And the last chord, the next chord is this D diminished, so open chord, open string, sorry, then 6, 7, 6, and this is the diminished shape. You can decide to stay here, but what they also do is they move this shape around 1.5 tone, so 3 frets, up every time. So here will be 6, 7, 6, here will be 9, 10, 9, and then 12, 13, 10, 12, and then they go back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, just to play the melody with the chords. Na, 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 na. And then they will go to the C chord. 1, 2, again to the D diminished. With actually they have the bass of C. So this could be D diminished or C diminished, exactly the same chord, just the bass that is different right now. So in this case, I will play the shape using the first finger there, then adding that one and the bass with the second finger, just like that. and then go back to the C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The bass moves back so that we can go back to the F. In the chorus, we go back to F minor. We can even play F minor or F minor 7. Okay, doesn't really matter. It's basically our A minor moved back up here. So we've got the bar here and the A minor shape. Okay, on the 8th fret. I love you, na na na. So we can do the alternated bass as well. This is A flat 7, it's our D7 moved up to there. Even here we can have the alternated bass. Then we've got D flat bar chord, okay, is our F moved to the 9th fret. And then we move it back and lift the pinky, and this becomes a C7. Then we go back to F. So, na 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 na. 2, 3, 4, and then we go to the intro. And we go back to the verse. Okay, so these are the different sections of the song. Don't forget to check the Beatles playlist that I have prepared for you. And I also got a free masterclass. It's 4 hours of guitar lessons where we cover really a lot of different things, from rhythm guitar, finger picking, lead guitar. So if you wanna subscribe, it's 100% free. There is a lot of information. You're gonna learn lots of stuff. Just check the link that you find on this video or in the description. Thank you for watching, like and share, and I'll see you in the next video.